My name is Willem and I'm excited to present ProofBoy, my entry to the NAV Hackathon. Fully on-chain gaming is something many games strive for, but game complexity is limited by the execution throughput of the host chain. ProofBoy describes how fault proofs can be used to prove very complex games, like a Game Boy emulator. Let's have a look how it works. Players play the game inside a special emulator called the ProofBoy recorder. This keeps track of every key press made by the player and exactly which CPU cycle it occurred. We call this record a journal. A journal can be used as a proof of a given memory state of a game. A second extractor program converts memory into useful data, for example Pokemon stats. To verify this on-chain, we use the exact same technology used for optimistic rollups, fault proofs. A special version of the emulator can replay journals to recreate the state. Using fault proofs, any fault in executing the recreation can be identified, and if no faults can be shown in a time window, they're considered to be truthful. As an example application, we developed an NFT contract that can mint NFTs of Pokemon, provided you can prove you know how to recreate a game state that owns them. Mints are proposed and allowed to be challenged for a fixed time period. If no challenge is successful, they are considered okay and can be minted. So let me show this in a demo. This is the ProofBoy recorder running in the browser using Wasm. So let's get our first Pokemon. When you reach a state you want to prove, you press the spacebar, which runs the extractor and presents the Pokemon data in NFT metadata form. Pressing submit sends the metadata, the journal proving it, and a bond to our contract by calling the proposed mint function. So here's one I tried to claim earlier, and here's the one we're trying to claim now. So you can't claim this immediately, you need to wait some time for other players to challenge your submission. So let's claim this one from earlier. This uses the register token functionality of the MetaMask SDK to add it to your wallet right away. You can also challenge other players' proposals if your local recreation of the state shows they are cheating. A successful challenge gets you their bond, but an unsuccessful one loses your own. This is just the tip of the iceberg of what is possible. It is simple to modify ProofBoy for any Game Boy game by writing a memory and metadata extractor, but the concept can be extended to any complex single-player game. I'm excited to see how this can be applied in emerging blockchain games.